From the very beginning of time, human nature always made us look for something better, something new, something that will make our lives easier and more pleasant, make us different from each other. It is our engine of progress which pushed us to invent the wheel, compass, clock, light bulb, and 3D printers. Without even realizing it, during the search for ways to make our lives more comfortable, we created all the necessary tools for any one of us who want to make something brand new, get recognition and success, or just simply wants to make his or someone else's life better. Stay tuned to see how Powerpuff 3D designers will change the world.